How to post your music on Spotify. So let's get started. Firstly, it's important to know that you cannot upload songs directly to Spotify yourself. To get music on Spotify, you need a music distributor. A distributor sends your music to Spotify and other streaming platforms like Apple Music, YouTube, and Amazon Music. Some of the most popular distributors are TuneCore, CD Baby, DistroKid, and United Masters. Start by choosing a distributor and creating an account. Once signed in, click on the Upload or Create a Release option. Now upload your music files. Most distributors accept WAV or high-quality MP3 files. Now upload your cover art. Make sure the artwork is high quality and follow Spotify guidelines. After that, enter your song's information like song titles, artist name, genre, release date, and whatever the track contains, explicit content. Some distributors also lets you add lyrics, songwriter credits, and featured artist. Once everything is filled out, review your release carefully and submit it. Your distributor will then send the music to Spotify for approval. This process can take anywhere from a few hours to several days depending on the distributor. After your songs goes live, you can claim your Spotify for artist profiles. This lets you customize your artist page, track streams, view analytics, and promote your music professionally. That's it. Your music is now officially posted on Spotify. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.